So I am off to Coromandel, Kawanui for the long weekend, which will be great. Before I do that, just going to do a nice loop ride on the Harley. It's been a while. Been so busy building the Cafe4Racer, haven't had a chance to do any real riding. Let's go. Yes, and time to pass this guy. So I'm going away, but when I get back I'll flip it over and paint the other side, and then decide what to do with the engine covers on either side. So they look quite nice two-tone, but I don't want two-tone. But do I want gloss black or matte black or grey, or I don't know. I think I'll probably just go with the original plan, which is gloss black. And then we are expecting a big delivery of components to arrive, and once that arrives then I'll know what I don't have. I've spent so much money, can't tell you, way more than what I had budgeted. Once you start, you can't stop. What is this? Knock on the door. Yes, please. My parts have arrived. The Cafe4Racer parts. The day has arrived. The final parts of the Cafe4Racer build have arrived. Well, the final big parts. There will be little things now. But Cafe4Racer in EU is the website I bought a whole bunch of parts of. I've run through them in the previous videos. It's the seat, the suspension, the rear sets, the exhaust, handlebars, clip-ons. So it's all the fun stuff. So I'm gonna take some time and unbox everything and have a good look. So hopefully you'll find that enjoyable too. All right. So I have once bought something, been so excited to open it up, I used the scissors to cut it open and proceeded to cut the part inside in my enthusiasm. So after that incident, I'm always pretty careful to make sure I don't let anything happen. Alright, let's go through them one by one. Okay, this is my headlight. It's an LED headlight, British style. So we'll look at that one later. These are Koso heated handlebars. I've got them on every single motorbike that I've ever bought that I put heated handlebars on. These ones are, I'm not sure I went with these ones specifically, not just the standard Apollo ones, but they look just like the standard Apollo ones. Koso. I'll have to remind myself why I bought these specifically and not the ones I've bought before. So far so good. Coffee for effect. Okay, what is this? No idea. Oh, I forgot I bought these. I actually forgot I bought handlebars. Why would I buy handlebars when I can get them locally, probably for a third of the price? But these are cool because they have the they're fully integrated. So there's your clip-on. Very nice, very nice. Very happy with that. It's just the parts. So that's the brake lever and the clutch lever. Okay, what is this mystery thing? Okay, so there we go. This is the brakes, the brake side. Okay, and it's got an integrated cylinder, which is very cool.
Two hours later.
Yeah, finally got the edge. Okay. The bracket that allows the rear sets to be adjustable, to move forward and to move back. They're very well made. Got that nice logo even in them. They're beautiful. And I will probably be painting them. But anyway, there's the 3 adjustment points, right? Not sure which way it goes at the moment, but so you can shift your pedals forward or back into 3 different slots. That's the one side, and that's the other side. Okay, another sip of coffee for effect. This is like Christmas, man. See? Bubble wrap is better. The gear lever, the rearset on the left, or the no bolts, because I'll lose some bolts in these things. I can just make 100% sure. Okay, so there is the left side. I think it works like that. Something like that, like so, I think. Very cool. Question is, should I make them black or should I leave them aluminium? Okay, so this is the left switches on the handlebars. Have a look at them. I'm 90% sure that they will work to my needs, given that they are extremely generic. So it's pretty standard. Headlights, brights, off, bright lights, and dims. Not that this will be interesting. I might just need on and off. I'm not sure whether I'll need the dims. The horn, left and right indicator, which feels... Yep, the quality feels okay. And your brights, your flash brights. So there we go. Looks nice. Yep, here's the other side. So the right-hand side is much easier. It's literally just a on-off switch and a starter. Very simple. That's all I need. I've thrown in a T-shirt. Ah, that's cool. Cafe4Racer. Medium. I'll definitely wear that. Cool. Okay, what are these? Moto Gadget. Ah, okay. So these are the indicator integrated mirrors, and they're polished aluminium as opposed to a mirror. So that'll be interesting. I'll just open up one, not both. Oh no, sorry, they're not indicator integrated, they're just literally the mirrors. Oh yes, this is the shock absorber. I am looking forward to having a look inside this one. Ah, look at that. I think it's that way around, yes. Yeah, look at that. Perfect. Custom built YSS suspension G series. Cool. Just to keep it safe until I need it, which I think I'll be needing it quite soon, to be honest. Bit of a risk, this. I'm not exactly sure that this is what I want. They weren't hugely expensive, so they were worth a punt. They attach to the forks, and they jut out, and you attach the front lamp to it. I'm just wondering now, how does this get on? I think there's a missing piece. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. Okay, there are two more things left that are my big ones that I've been wanting. One is the exhaust, and the other is the seat. So let's do the exhaust first. No, I forgot about the clip-ons. Let's do the clip-ons. Okay. They're pretty basic, pretty standard clip-ons that go on the forks. Left side, or it might be that way around. No, I'm pretty sure it's that way around. Like so. All right. What is this? A forgotten purchase. Oh, okay. Okay. I think this is the rear brake reservoir. Okay, here we go, the big ticket items. The exhaust. The other question I have about the exhaust is, do I paint it or do I leave it? So once it's on, I'll know what I want. Okay, so there's the 4x1 collector. I'll go like that. I haven't bought springs. I need to get springs still. Ah, springs. See, that's the type of thing you lose when you start. I'm going to have to go through all of my papers carefully. There's the springs. But it's only 2 springs. It's just to hold these 2 together. There it is. So now we'll go together like that. And there's that attach point. Ta-da! It's the last thing. I'm really looking forward to seeing this because we had this customized with what we wanted. It had a beehive gold/yellow stitching. And of course, as soon as I put this on the bike, I'll know how I can cut it. Oh, it looks nice. I'm too scared to use this. Come on. Yeah, don't cut this. Okay. Nice. Actually, man, that looks beautiful. That looks lovely. But it's beautiful. Look at that. Here we go. So headlight, handles. Oh, what was in here? Headlight. Oh yes. The levers, both sides. The suspension, the lamp attach brackets, the mirrors, the 2 switches on either side, the rear sets over here, the slip-ons, the exhaust, thinking that that's the rear brake reservoir, and the seat. So, in all its glory, look at that. Alright, the shirt's a little small. I'll have to stretch it in. But yeah, so everything has arrived as expected. It all looks to be there. It all looks to be in good condition. So now we have all of these parts, the real work can begin. And we can actually finally start to build the bike, which will happen over the next weeks and months. So yeah, awesome.